Hi guys, my name is Desiree Cañeda and I will be your teacher for today. Good day. For today's lesson, we are going to tackle about the netizenship and netiquette in online communities. The Philippines, being considered as social media capital of the world, has a need to stress social media education and etiquette among online users. Social media can attain many things in terms of social good. That is according to Brutus 2015. But the question is, how can social media be used to affect positive change? In our lesson for today, you are expected to define netizenship and netiquette. And also, you are going to formulate a set of netiquette guidelines. And number three, you are also expected to create a campaign video to promote netiquette. There are a lot of definition about what is netizen. So one of which is from Merriam-Webster Dictionary, which is from April 26, 2018, that according to them, that it is an active participation in the online community of the internet. And also we do have here a definition from the medical dictionary that they refer to it as an internet citizen who uses networked resources, which connotes civic responsibility and participation. At this juncture, we are going to discuss what is netizenship and also what is netiquette. So let us start with what is netizenship. So it is a citizenship on the internet or in a virtual world. Furthermore, netizenship is a term. Netizen is a portmanteau of the words internet and citizen, as in a citizen of the net or net citizen. It describes person actively involved in online communities or the internet in general. And now, netiquette. These are rules of socially accepted behavior on the web. So, netiquette is a short for internet etiquette. Just like etiquette, it is a code of polite behavior on the internet. This includes several aspects of the internet such as email, social media, online chat, web forums, website comments, multiplayer gaming, and other types of online communication. And we oftenly heard this when we are going online. Like, for example, someone will tell you that have some netiquette, do your comments appropriately, like child friendly, and so on and so forth. Here are some guidelines on how to make our internet experience fun and at the same time safe. So the first will be, we need to protect our reputation. Whether in real or in virtual world, you are the same person. Do only what is appropriate and share information that does not harm you as a person. As responsible netizens, we are all expected to support a healthy interaction in the internet. So it is not just that we are just going to protect our social interaction towards the netizens, but also we are going to protect ourselves by making sure that what we are posting online or what we are commenting online are somehow appropriate or not is going to hurt other people's feelings, and also what we're going to post online are not going to drag down our morale as a person. Like, for example, we are going to post inappropriate images, and also we are going to post or send inappropriate videos. So with that, so it is going to destroy our image, not just online, but also in the real world. So that is why we need to make sure that we need to maintain the good reputation, not just on the virtual world but also in the real world. The second guideline will be respect others. There is a saying that respect begets respect. We need to treat everyone with respect, even if you have not seen him or her in person. Be judicious about what you say on your own and others' page. That is really correct. Because you know what? Words are very powerful. It can create or it can also destroy your relationship. So that is why we need to be mindful about what we are going to say online or in real world. Because aside from that, we are you know what we are asking for so much respect, but the question will be, are we really worthy for the respect given to the other people? That is the question. Because respect should be earned, not to be given directly without any reasons why that has to be given. You need to act like you are going to be respected, and you will be given the respect that you wanted to have. We are now down to our third guideline, which is to express ourselves clearly and use emoticons. Emotions are not evident during communication. Facial expression and body language cannot be seen, and the tone of our voice cannot be heard. So, communication online is difficult. But with the help of emoticons, it can somehow lessen the stress that it gives us when we are going to communicate to our friends, our bosses online. Because from with these emoticons, we will not be misunderstood, we will not be misinterpreted by our receiver of our message, because it will give them the right, the right emotions to what we wanted to portray or to convey to our receiver. Number four, check spelling, grammar, and punctuation. You will be judged according to your post. Good writing means good manners. We do not want to waste other people's time reading our post, which is incomprehensible. This is actually one of the barriers in communication online. Why? It is because the content of our post online will be basically on the text that we have posted. So once there is a grammatical mishaps or there are errors in our grammars, so we are going to redirect our readers to other perspective, not to what we wanted them to understand or what we wanted them to convey. And with that being said, we are going to create chaos to their mindset. So that is why we need also to make sure that what we are posting online or the text that we are going to send to our friends, to other people, are grammatically correct. Actually, there are some, grammar checking tools that will help us. And an example of that is Grammarly, in which it is going to correct the errors and, give suggestions onto are, you know, what words are appropriate to our sentence. And with that being said, it will help us to to lessen our stress regarding grammars. The fifth guideline will be pause before you post. Take note that whatever you post become permanent. Therefore, think twice or thrice before you click send. Why? It is because once we click the word send on our post, it will never be deleted. Even if we are going to remove our post online, the thing is that the data of our post is now on the server and it will be there forever. So we need to make sure that our posts have the consent of our brain and also our heart. We have to filter it out there so that the post that we are going to send is going to be appropriate and is going to be relevant to other people. Number six, do not share your personal information. Providing all these publicly will make you prone to identity theft. Sharing your personal information online is like going around the street wearing a shirt printed with your name, birthday, address, name of parents, and etc. You definitely do not want to reveal all of these to many people. And if it's going to happen, what will be the consequence is that you will be in jail. Why? It is because the thieves or the criminals are going to use your information in some fraudulent actions. And with that, if the police authorities are going to know about their actions, they are going to arrest you because they have a reasonable reason to arrest you because the information that they use are coming from yours. So we need to be vigilant about our information, like our information on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media platforms. We have to make sure that it is in private mode. Like the person that is going to know about all the information that you have updated online is only you and no other people, because that will be the way for them to collect all of your information. So we need to make sure that our informations online are secure. The last guideline will be think about who or what you are representing. You do not want your family or school to be put to shame by what you do. As a son or daughter, you represent your family. As a student, you represent your school. And if, for example, you are a beauty queen and you are having a lot of causes, a lot of advocacies, and you wanted to inspire other people. And if, for example, you have posted some, discriminatory posts or posts that are provoking to other people, then the purpose of you joining pageants to inspire other people will be defeated because you are now degrading other people. You are now living to the purpose that you wanted to share to other people. So what you need to do is that we have to make sure that what we are going to say online or what we are going to post or write online is going to be sensitive to not just one person, but to the different minority groups, social groups, and other different kinds of people. Because at the end of the day, we are not just the only one who lives here. We are not the only one who uses the internet. There are a lot of people. There are different people using that one. And we cannot assure that they are going to understand us, or there will be a possibility that they are going to misinterpret or going to misunderstood our post. So the best thing for that is that we need to prevent all of those from happening. So we need to think about who or what we are going to represent, because by that we will be going back to our core as to why we are living, right? So that will be our strength. That will be the reason for us to not post things that are inappropriate online. In a nutshell, there are a lot of guidelines that needs to be followed. But the thing is that it is up onto our hands to do all of those. If we're going to follow that or we are going to neglect that. But one thing is for sure, we need to use our heart and mind before posting online. And that will be all. Thank you so much for listening. I think that's all for today. I hope that you learned something from me. Thank you so much and bye!